Welcome to the Short Book Summaries channel. Enjoy and subscribe if you like our work. The former National Director of Education for Evelyn Wood Reading Dynamics presents his do-it-yourself program for increasing reading speed and boosting comprehension. This program distills fundamental principles and skills that can be learned at home with the help of the drills and exercises provided. And because it lets readers choose their own materials and set their own pace, it's the ideal method for busy people juggling a full schedule. Peter Kump, a rapid reading expert, has been director of Peter Kump Reading Consultants for over 20 years. He has taught rapid reading to White House staff, corporate groups, and individuals. He lives in New York City. I am already reading at least 3 times faster than I did before I started reading this book. It is amazing. However, it is a hands-on book. It has daily exercises. While I have explored some speed reading in the past, the thing I love about this book is the idea that rapid reading with good comprehension is a learnable skill. Your brain learns how to read and comprehend words as units, without subvocalizing them. In other words, the frustration that might occur early on because comprehension is low, is only temporary if you keep practicing. This book actually works, if you put in the effort to practice daily. Okay, I skipped a few days, so it took me 2 months to finish instead of 6 weeks. My reading rate tripled with full comprehension, from 215 words per minute to 655. I can achieve much higher rates with some comprehension loss. If you are a student or need to read for your job, the techniques around selective reading and recall will help you to hit much higher rates while getting everything you need out of a book, or article, magazine, email, etc. I wish I had discovered this 15 years ago. I could have read 3 times as many books over those years, and it would have been an enormous help in grad school.